Oh, wow. Are you wondering who's he? He's 70 plus but fitter than ever. So let's learn some fitness hacks you need to know. Hi guys, welcome to Happiness with Hema. I consider myself jack of many things but master of happiness. If you're somebody new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I promise from today's vlog, you are going to learn something new. This vlog is entertaining, informative and interesting. So as usual on my morning walk today, I met the super inspiring and incredible Mr. Sunny D. He shared some amazing fitness tips and exercises. Fittest man Mr. Sunny D's secret revealed. My morning walk turned into a fitness class and inspiration. Let's see how he stay in top shape. And from Mr. Sunny D got insane fitness tips. Now without any delay, let's start. Look at these beautiful orchids. So beautiful. Yes, nature. How can we hug nature? So this is how we can hug nature. Okay? Guys, morning like these, fresh air, nature's beauty and perfect start to the day. Surrounded by lush greenery and vibrant flowers, this morning walk feels refreshing. And this is my favorite ganna, sugarcane. My all-time favorite. So nicely grown. Different variety. And look at the beautiful nature. A walk among the trees, the scent of fresh flowers and some morning inspirations. So beautiful. Banana trees, flowers. So pretty. And my favorite hibiscus. And this is lemongrass, one of my favorite drink. Wow, I just love variety of hibiscus. You know, that was different and this is also different. What's your name? What's your name?
Sunny D.
Huh?
Sunny D. Sunny.
Sunny. Sunny D. Okay.
This one, just a one.
This down one. So, wow, look at that. This uncle is, how old are you?
71.
71. He is so flexible. Look at that. So, few years back, his doctor was saying that his spine is not well. And look at it now. His flexibility. Wow. 71 and doing so strong. High five, uncle. Very nice. Okay. So what you were saying, your spine was not, doctor said something?
He said I cannot recover. He said my bone already. I think I 50 years old that time I get this bone.
So what you did? You did all these?
I do like MRI. He said my bone touching the nerve. He said the bone already. Then
one exercise which you were doing, can you show me that? Because that is very good for longevity. That on a pole.
When I do this one in front, this one, I do this one. I
Okay.
can do this. See? I can do this one.
Oh wow. Very nice. Because when we are yeah, that's very good. This is a best exercise. No need to go to gyms and all that expensive gyms. Just yeah. And then that upside down uncle, inversion one you were doing. I also do that. I always prefer doing that because that is an inversion exercise. Shoot me this one.
Oh, just now. Oh.
Yeah, this one.
Oh, okay. Come.
This one.
Oh, do this one also. Yeah.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, this one very good.
Okay. So you were doing like this also.
I do this one.
Okay.
Normally I do this way. I go on my leg to maximum. To maximum.
Wow. And then up and down. Very nice. Oh wow. Very good.
Okay.
Very nice, uncle. I'm very impressed. I think this is a very good inspiration, guys. He's a very good inspiration.
You know I drive taxi.
You drive it?
Wasted
Okay.
your time. You do
Okay.
yourself. So
Okay.
why I today do until flexible?
Wow. I'm very, very impressed. And I think you are the
So
kind of
why I
a
tell-
you are the kind of a people who are who should be
Yeah.
influencing the
So
young
why
boys
every day I
and
tell
girls.
people, you're my exercise.
Yeah, you are actually a very sunny boy. And thank you so much for sharing your tips.
Okay.
Very nice. And you come here every day?
Yeah, mostly every day.
You drive taxi every day?
Drive taxi.
Okay, but still, see, because taxi driving is such a stagnant job, but you are so active because you make an effort to go out and exercise every day, right?
Yeah, I exercise, so I go out to work until tonight, 9 o'clock, come back. I take dinner, I shower, then before I sleep, I do stretching. Do this one again, I do bend my body, kick my at home 20 minutes. Then I sleep.
Very nice. Do you do some meditation or something also, Uncle? No. But I think when you're exercising, you are engrossed in that. That is itself is a meditation, right?
No.
I mean to say, when you are totally... See, what is meditation, Uncle? Meditation is when you're doing something and your mind is not thinking anywhere.
No.
Yeah? You're just here in a present moment.
Yeah.
So that's a meditation.
I don't need to think everything. My
Yes.
children, my grandchildren. So when I earn the money, I want to work. I don't want to stay at home. I say stay at home, you're not healthy. I work.
You're very
First
healthy.
thing,
You're very healthy.
First thing, time easy to pass. Second thing, you got income coming.
Yeah.
I tell my wife, my grandchildren, what you want to eat, want to buy, go and buy. Never mind. Because I like to work. I no hobby. I no smoke, no drinking, no gambling. I don't want to go travel. I don't want to watch TV. I never watch handphone one.
Wow.
I everyday work.
Simple life and high
Yeah,
thinking.
simple life.
Simple and high thinking.
I
Yeah.
tell my grandchildren, my wife, every day, I want you happy, healthy, in my heart.
Wow.
Happy. That's all. I know.
Very nice.
Until today, I never think of myself. I say I want you everyone happy, healthy. As long as I can work, you don't worry the thing expensive. But just go and eat, go and buy.
Very
I say I
nice.
earn the money, want to give you to use.
Beautiful,
to stay
Uncle.
good.
I think you have a very simple and purposeful life. I think that's your purpose of
I
life,
eat
that
things
every
also
should be
very
happy.
simple.
Yeah,
I
very
want
nice.
Huh?
Very nice. Oh,
About 800.
okay.
You see this one?
Wow. Very good. It is very good for a core.
Yeah, very good.
Sunny Uncle. Sunny D. I'm so impressed with Sunny D Uncle. He is... So guys, reflexology, it's so good, and when you do it in an animal walk way style, you are not only working on your feet but also working on your hands. And these stones are like, you know, doing a acupressure point kind of a thing on your hands and feet. Amazing. You can Google and check out the benefits of reflexology. And this band is amazing, really. I'm so impressed with it. Very nice. So Mr. Sunny is also doing this reflexology. Reflexology is very good for overall health. So he's not only pressing his feet but also hands. Very nice, Mr. Sunny. You are such an inspiration. See how flexible he is. Effortlessly he's doing. This is called animal walk. This is called animal walk.
Yeah, animal walk.
Yeah, this is called animal walk, but you are doing with both hands and leg. It is very, very effective. Wow. And he is 70 plus, guys. Look at the... I think that's how he got so much of energy, so much of strength and so positive attitude. Clap, clap, clap. Very nice. Very nice. Wow. Very good. You're good. You're taking good care of your body, Mr. Sunny.
Yeah.
You're truly taking good care of your body.
Yeah lah.
No medicine?
No.
No medicine, no surgery, nothing.
No.
Whereas, which year do your doctor said your back is? You were saying that your back was
Oh, like one. I think more than 18 years.
18 years back.
After I do 1 year, okay, everything okay.
Wow. So 18 years back, his doctor said that your spine is really not
For the spine touching the nerve.
okay.
So I say I don't operate lah because I
They must have suggested ki do some operation.
do MRI.
MRI.
They say confirm my bone
Okay.
touching nerve. So the way he want me operate, I don't.
So guys, this is also a testimony that if we can heal, we can start doing something about our body. Our body can heal by itself. Yeah, our body knows how to heal, because that's what Mr. Sunny, Mr. Sunny, that's what I endorse in my channel. That let your body work by itself. Let your body heal by itself. Don't take medicines. Avoid taking medicines and
No,
take
I
good.
only take medicine is my skin because got eczema last time.
Okay. Now they say take good care of your body by doing exercise, good diet. What is your food like? Good diet,
No lah, normally I didn't take every day. I take. I take.
healthy food. You don't take junk food, right?
Huh?
You take junk
I
food?
never take. Oh, I
That's
never take. I take.
home
lunch.
cooked food.
No, normally I take some fish, some vegetables, some tauhu, this one.
Okay.
I cannot without one.
But no junk food, huh?
No.
No
all I never
packet.
take. All McDonald's, Kentucky, all these, all I never eat one.
And especially not
I
the
no
junk.
smoke, no drinking, no everything.
No
I
smoking, no drinking.
No.
That's also one
Everything.
secret.
The one take sweet one, everything. Even I drink coffee also, no sugar.
No sugar. Oh yes, yes. If you stop
I do have
taking
sweet
sugar,
also.
if you stop taking sugar, it can really help you a
Now
lot.
here I take a moment to share this reel with you and discover how autophagy, your body's natural cleanup process, can help fight cancer by starving it of sugar and glucose. अगर आज आप कैंसर से डायग्नोस होते हैं, this is what you should do to save your life saving. Because in this industry, cured patient is a lost customer. Cancer is not genetic. It's a metabolic disease. Mitochondrial damage से होता है. Cancer glucose के बिना नहीं रह सकता. It thrives on fermentation, not oxygen. Now, what is the solution? Solution is to stop the cancer. Ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting can kill the cancer inside you by itself. Autophagy के बारे में 2016 की Nobel laureate research and detailed research says like this. Autophagy is a solution to do cellular cleansing and reset your body. Autophagy got that power that it can kill cancer cells. On the contrary, chemotherapy not only kills your healthy cells but also damage your healthy organs. It lowers your immunity system and disrupt your long-term health. Aboriginal tribe had 0% of cancer rate until they started processed food. इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब है कि आपकी डाइट ग्रेट ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स की तरह होनी चाहिए. Whole food, high fat and no seed oils. Now, I will share one shocking fun fact with you all. Vitamin D कैंसर सेल्स को सुसाइड कमिट करा देता है. हमारी बॉडी को कैंसर से लड़ना आता है. प्रॉब्लम ये है कि मॉडर्न फूड हमारी बॉडी को कॉन्स्टेंटली पॉइजनस कर रहा है. गुड न्यूज, कैंसर एक डेथ सेंटेंस बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, बट सिस्टम को ब्लाइंडली फॉलो करना जरूर है. फॉलो मी फॉर मोर वेलनेस टिप्स.
Didn't take
And one more thing I want to ask, Uncle. You have seen how active he is. One more thing I want to ask. What about your sleep? How many hours?
I tell you, every day, 6 o'clock I wake up. I brush my teeth, I come here
Okay.
to do until almost 8 o'clock.
Okay.
So I go to work until tonight,
Until-
8:30, 9 o'clock I come back.
So how many hours you sleep?
So I shower, bathe, at least 11:30. Like yesterday, 11:30 I sleep. 6 o'clock I smart.
So around 7,
About
8 hours you sleep?
The more is 6 to 7 now.
6 to 7. Okay. Because sleep is also very important part. You know why, Mr.
Yeah.
Sunny? Why? Tell me why.
Because but after lunch I will say when you
No,
feel
no, no.
tired.
Why sleep is important?
Yeah lah, because we our body have to rest. What? Our brain have to rest. What?
Yes.
Your body have to rest. What?
Yes.
Same with the machine. What? The machine, you every day you run. You never give rest. Also.
Yes.
Also.
Because sleep is a time when our body is resting, repairing and recovering. So we need to give time, at least 5 to 6 hours, complete deep sleep to our body to rest, recover and repair. and good diet, good exercise, you will never have cancer, you will never have such health issue. That's for sure. Thank you, Mr. Sunny. You are really inspirational.
Okay, bye. Bye.
So that was my encounter with Sunny D uncle, very inspirational personality. Don't miss out my video on this noni fruit. This is a special fruit which can cure cancer and have many health benefits. If you're somebody new to my channel, don't miss out to subscribe, like and share, and do share this video with somebody who need inspiration.
Like, share, subscribe. Happiness with Tema.
Subscribe and share happiness with Hema.
Thank you, Granger. Thank you so much. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.